how to create a realistic background in your rendering. Once your rendering's done, you want to hit the download button and then turn on transparent background and download the image as a PNG. Once it downloads, you're going to want to save it in a safe location. Then you're going to want to Google different backgrounds that you can add in. So I did a suburban background. I kind of liked this background to give it more depth. Go to View Image and then right click Save that image. And I already have that saved. Then you can open up Photoshop, go to File, Open, and open up both images, your rendering as well as your background. So there's my rendering. You'll notice it doesn't have a background. I will open up my image as well. Background. Hit OK. And now you can see I have my two tabs. So I'm just going to grab this image and drag it into this view. So now I can drag this image, and you're going to want to change the layers. So I'm going to click on layer 1 and put it below so that it drops behind my my house, and making sure I'm still selected on my background layer. I'm going to do Control T, which is transform, and hold down Shift and extend my background out, and then I can hit enter. So you can move that around and play with it, but it kind of gives it a nice depth to your rendering. And then all you have to do is File, Save As, and when you save, just change it to JPEG, and you will be able to upload that image into Revit to put on a sheet.